Vishal, should we start with the interview?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Vishal, can you tell me the difference between let variables and const variables?
Yes, sir. Let variables, mainly all the properties are kind similar, but one major difference is like we can redefine the value for let variables and not for const.
Okay.
Reassign.
Reassign. Okay. Reassign the value for let variables, but
For
okay.
example,
Okay. Got it.
let
Got it.
b.
Got it. Vishal, tell me, redeclaration for both variables are allowed? Yes or no? Or
No,
any
sir.
one of them?
No, sir. None.
None.
We
Okay.
can't declare that let
Okay.
b is once declared. We can't.
Okay. Const, as you said, we can't reinitialize, right? Const
No, sir.
variables. Okay. Tell
But
me.
sir, we can change the values for, I think, arrays and object we can do,
Okay. Okay.
like inside their value.
Okay. Can you tell me the difference between rest operator and spread operator?
Yes, sir. And so a rest operator spread operator is used for if we have if we are combining two arrays, like array A and array B, we are adding them. So once we add them, then the spread operator will one first spread all the elements in each array and then add them into one common array
How will you do that?
by the use of three dots.
Okay, three dots. Okay. And
And
rest operator?
rest operator, I think it's also used using three dot, but I don't remember what exactly it's doing.
Okay. Okay. Write console log of ABC.
These
And on the next
like
line, write where ABC equals to
A,
ABC, same variable,
ABC
equals
equals to
to take whatever value you want.
10.
Okay. Tell me what will be the output here and why.
So the output will be where it is undefined. So
Undefined. Okay. Can you replace it with let where
this is-
instead of where if it's let? Yeah. So now what will be the output?
so for both let and const, it will give an error like
Okay.
it won't run it.
Okay. What
It
will
is
be the
temporarily
error?
dead zone. Because of temporary dead zone, it is it won't
Okay.
able to fetch the
Okay.
value.
What will be the specific error if you can think of?
So um, uh, actually, I don't read what's there,
Okay. Okay. You are
but I think it will be syntax error,
syntax
like
error.
hosting. It is because of the hosting property.
Yeah. Hosting. Okay. So, okay, fine. You are unable to remove. Okay, that's fine. You can comment or remove this out.
Yes, sir.
Okay, can you tell me what is closure?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Mm, yeah, I can't recall it, so just
Okay,
one second.
that's fine. Can you tell me what is lexical scope, Vishal?
Lexical scope, when we are declaring a function within a function
Hmm.
and nested functions, then the we can access the child component can access the all the properties like variables and all from the parent component.
Okay, and vice versa is possible.
No, sir.
Okay. Okay, you can write const abc equals to write an object abc. Okay. Write name, age, address, whatever name you want, whatever age you want, whatever address you want to write, you can write it down. Write a one word, whatever one word you want. Okay, go outside the scope and write let xyz equals to write in objects triple dot abc comma name. Can write whatever name you want other than Vishal. Okay, go outside this object. Okay, write const name in object side const and then object. Yeah,
Yes, sir.
write it in a single line only. No need to. Yeah, write name comma
Comma.
triple dot write pqr.
Please give out.
Okay, equals to
Yes, sir.
write abc. Uh, outside you have to write equals to abc outside. Okay, and write on the next line write console log of pqr. Tell me what will be the output here and why.
Constant that will be seen. So this name don't have don't is not assigned with any value, right?
What do you think?
Mm.
Right,
Okay.
okay, you have written pqr. Right, comma in console log pqr comma.
Yes.
You have written pqr. Okay. Write xyz. Yep, that will be better. Now tell me what will be the output for both the case and why.
So for PQI, um, I think over here, first our code will run from like it's a constant in let xyz, the name variable. This name will override this Vishal.
Mm,
Ankit will override Vishal
mm,
as we spread it.
mm,
Then all the keys and values are individually written over here.
mm.
And I think since the name is already declared and we are declaring another name, then it will lead to an error. Like we can't have the same key for two different. We can't assign the same key
So
for
you mean to
different
say
values
you
and
will
all.
receive error?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so first you told me that it will override, and now you are telling me you will receive error.
Yes, sir.
So what it will be? You will be receiving error.
So if we are trying to update the key from outside, then it will be updated. But over here, we are spreading the object and then we are declaring a same uh, element with the same key, which is already declared. So I think it will give error.
Error. Okay. For XYZ, it will be error. For PQR,
So PQR constant. We get PQR. So I think we haven't declared like what's PQR is.
you haven't declared, Arisha.
Yes, sir. It will be. Oh, yes, sir. It will lead to this ABC. It will
It
give
will
output.
give ABC as an like whole name, Vishal, and those kind of things. It will give you meant to say.
Yes, sir.
Arisha on this.
Mhm. Yes, sir.
So PQR will be name Vishal, age 22, and address India.
Mm, I think so. It won't. No, sir. Constant name ABC. Sir, I think that will give the output of Vishal.
Output of Vishal.
Yes, sir.
So PQR will be
Uh, PQR will be. So, no, sir. It won't. First of all, for this XYZ, it will give error, and PQR, I think it will give undefined or null.
undefined. Can you please tell me the reason why? Null or undefined?
But so because we haven't defined the PQR. No, sir. We have defined the PQR over the
You know the
variables and
concept
constant.
of destructuring.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So I'm not sure
Okay,
about
you
it.
told me null or undefined, so there must be some logic due to which you came to the conclusion null or undefined. Can you tell me the reason?
So because once over here we are spreading PQR
Hmm.
using this,
Hmm.
but actually we haven't declared like the way we have expressed ABC. We can spread ABC, but we can't spread PQR
We can't
because
spread PQR. Why?
PQR is not declared anywhere.
Okay. Okay, fine. Then you can run this out.
Okay,
What do you think?
okay. So for PQR, yes, yes. Now I understand what
Can you
we spread
please
PQR.
explain what you are able to understand?
Yes, sir. Over here, the name is declared as nothing. Like over here, we are assigning name, but it's not with no value. So it will override the name in ABC over here, which is Vishal, and thus it will lead to declaring of age 22 and address as we haven't assigned any value for name. So it won't show or console the name. And in this case, it will update the value for name as something.
Hmm. So you told me override first. That was right, but I don't know why.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir, I
keys
got
can be
the
written.
confused.
You can write keys multiple times. Okay, the latest key it will get override. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, fine. You can comment or remove this out. Okay, fine. Can you tell me what is function calling, Vishal?
Function pairing. We when a function takes an input as different function as an input. No, no, sir. Like when we are assigning a value like this, for example, we want to multiply two different variables. We are taking the input individually, like not all together. Like we can take in normally we take input as function ABC bracket A comma B. In that we will take input as A, then we will later to input as B
Okay.
using the same function, calling the
Can
same
you give
function.
me an example of function calling?
Yes, sir.
You can write it
Shall I
down.
write it? Yes, sir. It's like function. So over here we will like we call function current or like this, and function will be
Okay. Vishal, can you tell me the difference between map method and for each method?
okay. So for the case of map, the for both the cases, the our condition will run for each and every element of an array
Hmm.
or object. But the difference is the map will give us an updated new array. If suppose we are running it on an array, then it will give us a new updated array, and the condition will run on each and every one of it. Like if you want to add one to each element of an array, then and we will get the same modified array as updated each element with one.
Okay.
But in case of for each, it will not give the an updated array. Like we have to store it in, separately.
Okay.
Should I comment this out?
Yeah, yeah, please. Okay, Vishal, we'll move to React. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, Vishal, can you tell me what is the difference between class components and functional components?
So class components, functional components are a new way of writing code in React, and it was recently introduced, which helps us use different kinds of hooks like use state, use effect, and all. Whereas in these components, we have to write each and everything. We can't use hooks and all. And the main point is we can use JSX and no GSS. I think we can use in both of them. But yes, sir. It is more modern way of writing code, which is more cleaner and easy to read and maintain, and it is highly efficient compared to the class-based components which were used earlier.
Okay. Can you tell me what is CDN?
Sorry,
What is CDN? Do you know what is CDN? Content Delivery
mm,
Network. Have you heard of?
no, sir.
Okay, okay. Can you tell me what is the role of transpiler?
Mm. I think so. It mainly converts our React code, which we write in normally in JSX, to the modern JavaScript code, which the browser V8 engine can understand and compile it, and
Okay. Can you tell me what is JSX?
we can write JavaScript inside HTML. We use it in React projects mainly.
Okay. Can you tell me what is prompt relay?
Yes, so when we want to pass it any prop like property or any suppose we want to pass any variable or any value from the parent class to child class, we normally pass it using the props method. But sometimes we want to pass on the same value to multi-level child components. For example, we have a logo in our or we have the username which we want to pass it from the main body to the restaurant menu and each and every component. So it may lead to a recompilation of the same thing, which slows down the processing, and like it's the user experience is not good. So if to avoid this, we use context API.
Okay. What is the difference between context API and Redux?
So context API, I think it's good for small projects, like not only small projects. Like if we have a logo of our website, and instead of using the same web link or a same PNG file over each and every place, like we are using our logo in 10 multiple places, different location. And if we want to update that in our future update of our website, so instead of individually going there and updating, we can just directly go to the context file, context API, and we can change that from there. So it's like it will automatically update it. And for big projects or dealing with the live data, like user login and user details and all, we use Redux.
Okay. Can you tell me what is the difference between conventional or normal routing and dynamic routing?
Yes, sir. When we open, can I explain it regarding my project based
Yeah, yeah,
example?
please.
Sir, as we open our Swiggy browser or any app, it automatically lands us to the home page or the login page.
Hmm,
If the login page is not there, then it will land us to the home page.
hmm.
And like the our localhost 3000 slash, it will be the home, or like home page is official normally it's written as slash. And if we write that the restaurant cart slash cart, then it will take us to the cart page, or any other there are like slash user, then it will take us to
Okay,
the user page
okay,
and all. And dynamic routing, it will, like, it is not fixed. We have to take the value dynamically. Like when we open a particular restaurant, then it will fetch the data of the restaurant ID, and then it will be like localhost 3000 slash restaurant slash restaurant ID. Then it will take us to that particular restaurant.
okay, okay. Can you tell me which hook you use for dynamic routing? Okay, have you worked with use param hook?
Yes, sir. I have used it, but I don't.
You are unable to recall?
Yes, no, so I have to
Okay,
revise it once.
okay, okay, fine. Okay,
But it is used for this dynamic routing, I can recall it.
okay. Can you tell me the difference between use state hook and use reducer hook?
I haven't used reducer hook, but I have used use state hook. I
Okay,
can describe use state.
okay. Can you tell me use state hook is a synchronous or asynchronous?
Um, it's synchronous.
Why?
Um, I can't recall the definition of synchronous as
Yeah,
synchronous.
but if you know the working,
It
then
is
you will be able. Okay, so you don't know
no,
what synchronous and
no,
asynchronous.
sir. I'm not recalling it synchronous. Yes, sir. It is synchronous, sir. Because when are using use state hook, and we normally have two in the array, two variables like user and set user. So if we want to set the user to any particular value, then then I think it won't it will first wait for the user to update, and then it will refresh the browser.
Okay, so you mean to say use state is a synchronous hook, right?
Yes, sir.
So you are saying that it changes the state immediately.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you mean to say the component doesn't wait to re-render for component to
So it will
re-render.
re-render once we change it, then
So
it
you
will
mean to
refresh
say
the
it
page.
waits for the component to re-render so that
Yes, sir.
at that time the state gets changed on the base of.
Yes, sir. Once the no, sir, I'm not sure about it, but I think it will. No, sir. Actually, React is popular because it don't have to re-render the entire like it based on virtual DOM, so it won't wait for the entire just to update.
Can you tell me the
It will.
Vishal? Okay, that's fine. Can you tell me the difference between a real DOM and virtual DOM?
Yes, sir. And in real DOM, like all the tree like structure of a website is being drawn by the search engine
Hmm.
browser. But in Redux, we use virtual DOM for updating small changes, and based on that, the actual DOM is being changed. Like virtual DOM is an kind of copy of the actual DOM, and all the changes are first made in the virtual DOM, which makes it fast.
Okay. Okay, Vishal, that's it for the interview. Any queries,
Yes, sir.
any concerns, you can go ahead with it.